Reddit Ads Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Reddit Ads are in the description. Reddit Ads is a unique platform that targets niche communities, allowing advertisers to reach highly engaged users in specific interest groups. Reddit's vast network of subreddits makes it an attractive option for brands looking to target specific demographics or interests, from tech enthusiasts to fitness buffs. The platform offers both display and text-based ads, which appear in users' feeds or alongside posts within relevant subreddits. Reddit Ads is based on a self-serve model, similar to other platforms like Facebook or Google, offering advertisers flexibility to create campaigns that suit their goals. Ads can be highly customized, with options for targeting by interests, location, device, and even specific subreddits. This targeting capability allows advertisers to refine their approach and get in front of users who are most likely to engage with their content. One of Reddit's standout features is its unique ad formats. Promoted posts, for example, appear directly in users' feeds and mimic the look and feel of organic Reddit content, which can lead to higher engagement. Another popular format is display ads, which can be placed on the site's desktop or mobile interface. Additionally, Reddit offers conversation ads, enabling users to interact with the brand through comment threads, generating a more direct form of engagement. The platform also provides detailed analytics to help measure campaign performance. Advertisers can track metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and engagement, which allow for real-time adjustments and optimization. Reddit's cost per click (CPC) and cost per impression (CPM) pricing models offer flexibility depending on your campaign budget. While Reddit Ads is most effective for brands targeting niche audiences and users with specific interests, it's a powerful tool for any advertiser looking to generate authentic engagement. It's particularly great for tech, lifestyle, gaming, and creative industries. If you're looking for an alternative to the more mainstream ad platforms, Reddit Ads is worth exploring. Be sure to check the links in the description to get started today.